Hello, Faves.
Hello.
Tyler.
Wagwan.
Go, babe. Say hello, my fine husband. Uh-oh, you guys wanna get 2 fingers? That's all y'all worth? Oh, base!
Jif.
Jif.
Gif.
You're too funny. Jif, not Jif. Jif. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in beautiful France. And we are on the road. Starting off the vlog a little bit late today because I didn't feel like talking to you guys all day, but I feel like talking to you now. That's not true. I just didn't feel like picking up the camera. But isn't that the same thing, Mel? Yeah, kind of sort of issue, but you get the idea. Because I know I was going on the road, so I was deliberately waiting on this moment to pick up the camera. Okay, so we're going on the road, go run a little errands, and then we have a date. We're going on our dates. Okay, we haven't been on a date in a long time, but this is like a group date, family date. We're gonna have dinner with our friends Jennifer Bravo. You guys know Jen Ben, and if it's your first time to the fam bam and you don't know who Jen is my lovely Jamaican American British second mother. Yeah, all those cultures. Yes, she's all of that, and I'm not even exaggerating. She really is, all three.
I think she also has the 3 passports. So
she does.
She really the 3 of.
She really does.
She really the 3 of them.
So Jen is coming with her friends to meet us at the restaurant. You guys know we love a good Chinese, so that's where we're heading. Same place I went for my birthday, we're heading back there. It was a good stay. Jen was also there with my birthday too, so we love that restaurant, so we're going back. We wanted to catch up and just chit chat and hang out, so that's what we're going to do. But first we need to make a stop at a home store. We're gonna stop at a home store because we want to change over Tyler room this summer into a more upgraded big boy room, and upgrade Sarah room also to a big girl room. So the idea is to transfer Tyler's bed to Sarah and give Tyler an upgraded big boy bed. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at beds so that way we can have an idea of our budget and our style and what we're looking for, and to shop around, window shop around. We also probably stop at an Italian store to get some cheese that babe been wanting to make, gnocchi creamy cheese in gnocchi for a while and he haven't got to do it, so we should be stopping there. So we have a bunch of little stops to make, but we'll take you along all the little stops. Okay, if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and keep up with the fame bam and hit that notification bell. Very important, because when you do that, you ensure that you don't miss a video when we upload. But better yet, even if you do that and you still don't get a video when we upload Monday to Friday without missing a beat. I promise you, guarantee. When you wake up each morning, a video is there for you, so you don't even have to wait for the notification. Just go to the channel and the video is right there. And you guys, we still do have merch for our channel, so if you guys want to purchase merch, I saw some questions in the comment section about merch. If you guys still want to purchase merchandise, below every video there is the merchandise line out under there. Just click on it and you'll see everything that we offer. I need to upgrade the merchandise, but for now they're still up on there, so you can go ahead and purchase a hoodie or a t-shirt or a cup. Go ahead and support the fam bam. We appreciate every single one of you for always coming back and watching each and every day. Now I'm gonna stop talking and get on with this vlog. Okay, so let go. Have a good day. The desk. This desk is perfect, but
Which one?
that. I'm not buying nothing like this. You see the bed, Sarah? This one. Come, Sarah. Go on this one. Come. See Sarah here.
A bunk bed.
No, we're not buying no bunk bed.
One that has the glove for now is my favorite.
Sorry, you like this one? You like it? Yes? You would have fall off. This room is nice. Come. Come, let's go look on another one. You find something like what I'm saying?
Mama, we have the same cushion.
Yes, it's in here a bite. Let's go where the big beds are. I'll probably find it there. It's a nice sheet. I like this sheet. You just be going on every bed, girl. You're going to catch lice. Come.
What is light?
Something that goes in your ear. Hey, come. Let's go on another one. You like that one, Sarah? This is the #1 option for now because I'm not seeing the actual one that I want. And the good thing about this one, it have a lot of storage for his books, honey. We could actually take out the black stand in his room. What happened? Hurt? Tell her where she hurt. Sarah!
So it's
Where to?
everything.
That's why it's more reasonable in terms of space.
The good thing is about the space, because if you look at his room right now, it won't take much space than what we have now. A bit wider. But you only have drawers, you don't have pull out. It's something like this I originally wanted, but they don't have no pull out. It's drawer, no? Yeah, cause the home store, and now we're in the buyer store trying to find the things that they want.
There's a lot of them.
Yes. So I'm looking to see if I find it. Maybe I'll be able to find the sucre de canne. Vio everything.
There's something that's long.
Okay, they have banana chips.
Can you buy some?
No, we won't buy any.
Peekaboo!
I have here your...
In the store is huge. Là, c'est bon? Oui. You come back to Auntie. Sarah. Where's dessert time? Let's get one of that. Let's get one of that. What else? What else we trying? Wanna try a little piece of it. One pineapple. Pineapple. 2. 3. No, 2. And then we try 2 of this. Okay. And let's do it. Okay. Voila. Yummy, yummy. Ice cream queen. Sarah, eat please. Look at these two. You guys, we have been back home and we just finished watching a documentary on Jamaica on French channel. What is wrong with this fish beside me? I'll pop like a fish.
If I was saying to you, repeating everything you just say, what will I look like?
I don't understand what you mean.
I don't understand what you mean.
What?
What? What do I look like now?
Babe, stop, you're annoying.
Babe, stop, you're annoying. What do I look like?
A Ludovic.
No, like a parrot. Like a parrotfish.
You finish? Look at my eyes. You guys see that I'm telling this man is here acting a fool? I don't even remember what I was telling you guys just now. I was watching a documentary on Jamaica on French TV. And Jamaica is just absolutely beautiful. My next trip home, I want it to be at least 1 month. And I want to be able to afford to travel out Jamaica for that entire month. I want to go in every corner. I want to have every jerk. I want to stop at every jerk shops. I want to experience all the little things about Jamaica. I want to submerge myself in my culture and just take it all in. Why is this man trying to distract me? Can you guys guess and comment down below the assignment for you today? What do you think my husband's love language is? You guys should know what my husband's love language is by now. Anyway, you guys, I am coming on with my dreamy eyes and this man beside me, which just decide to annoy my soul.
Sorry.
This evening. Babe, can you stop? You're so annoying. Babe, stop.
I didn't say anything.
End the vlog. Talk to
I'm
things.
editing.
How was your evening?
That's good.
You eat enough?
I eat more than enough.
I couldn't eat anymore at that buffet. As you guys can see, it was a buffet restaurant.
We had a good time. We spent times with families and people that we appreciate. So
why are you sleeping while you're talking? Yeah, I was closed the entire time. That's how much you're annoying me. Yep. Yep, you're my frog. Anyway, I'm going to my bed.
hard.
What is hard?
End the vlog.
What is hard?
End the vlog. And tap a noise.
Babe, but never sleep while you're shouting.
If you enjoyed the vlog, give a
thumbs up.
Don't forget to
subscribe,
comment
down below,
and give us thumbs up.
Catch up and keep up.
And we'll
see you guys tomorrow. Come on, go on the toilet. I'm gonna leave that in there. Babe, you're annoying.